Yes. Okay. So welcome back. So we are going to practice the vowel signs in Brahmi. So as you know, this is ka, and then this is a. So we can say this is ka. This is ka. So this is the ka, this short horizontal dash on the top. Okay. So I will explain one by one. Like yesterday, this is ka. I can make cause first, and each letter we will see. So ka. So ka. Ka means we have this horizontal dash. Then ki, horizontal and vertical. Long e, we have two verticals, and short o on the bottom. Long o, double horizontal on the bottom. A, top to the left. I, that will be double stroke horizontal to the left. And then O on the top to the left and also to the right. O to the left, one stroke to the both sides. So that already I have discussed with you yesterday. But today we will go ahead with some other things. It depends on the letter where exactly to have all the vowel signs. We can take kha. I'm talking about the kha. Okay, so kha. So kha, as I told you, this is kha. And we have this is also kha. There are two types of kha. So how we can add the vowel signs to the kha? And after that, I will send you one file, so that will help you. So kha, kha, kha. Okay. I think still there is a sound. I don't know from where, but still there is a sound. So I request the participants, please mute again. See, these are the kha. So when you say kha, it is on the top. Kha. Ki. The same procedure. Long e. Ki. But instead of khu, instead of horizontal line, you have a vertical line, because the bottom of the kha is the round shape. In the round shape, the ukar will be not horizontal, ukar will be vertical. And the same thing in the long u also. Okay, the long u also. So please note down, when the shape of the letter has changed and the position is same, but the stroke is changed. I just want to show an example. Ka and a kha. If you say ku, actually ku should be on the bottom. This is ku. But this horizontal line we cannot use in ku. So it will be vertical line. You see, this is. So that you have to remember. You have to use the logic, because the matras, the signs have changed according to the shape of the letter, shape of the graphic. Okay, we can take like next, like ga. I will send a chat to you, so don't worry about that. Suppose ga. This is also ga. Ga, ga, ga. Many ga's here. So We want to write ga. So this is ga. Okay. Suppose gi. This is gi. Long gi. Long e. Gi. Okay. And gu. See here. The same procedure like ka. Because the shape is not round, the bottom one. Long u. A. The same procedure. Okay. So I just want to tell you, suppose you have the word tha. It is tha. And this is tha.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir. Will you please mute everybody? You are the host now, so you have the, control. So you can mute everyone.
I have the control. I can mute everyone.
Because there is constant sound. Someone is teaching to something else.
I cannot see anyone in the. Everyone is muted, I think.
Sir, no, sir.
No,
There is
sir.
Sharmaji Manji.
Yes, I am asking to mute. Because there is background sound.
Okay. I think there is no sound now. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for rectify and correct. Thank you. Actually, we are recording and we will send you the records. If there will be a good record, then it will benefit to all. So please. Okay. So I was explaining the tha and tha. You see, there is a difference. Now I will show you how to have all the matras. This is very important because this is the round shape. So now we can take tha first. This tha.
One is the renunciation and the other one
Tha. Tha. Tha.
you can
I'm talking about tha.
or whatever, or in the deep forest, and they are also renunciants who stay in a community. So there are differences. One is when you renounce work, you are trying to
Sir, you are the host. Kindly mute everyone, please.
you have a certain aim.
Actually, you see, I am the host, but I am teaching and same times I can do everything. It's very difficult. Anyway, I am requesting if they are not listening, what to do. So anyway, thank you. So you see, this is the tha. So now talking about tha, what to do? Because suppose this is tha, first one tha. So tha will be here. You see, the akara will be the middle of the letter. Like tha. I'm talking about the tha. Then thi. See here. You have this horizontal and vertical. So this is thi. Thi. Long e. Thi. And very interesting. Come to thu. It will be in the, because round as we did in the kha. Thu. Long u thu. Double. Thu. So please follow the procedure and definitely we'll have a chart. So try to understand it because I am planning to share one inscription as end of this class and give you some homework. So that will help you. So now we can go series, cos series first. So cos series already, I think you have understood. Kha, there is no, the same, only the procedure is the U. Anyway, we can have some K, or I can show you. Suppose I'm talking about the Kha. Okay. I'll put all the matras, so that will help you. Okay. So kha is the first one is kha. Second one kha. Khi with long e. Khi. Khu. Khu. Khe. Khai. And kho. And we can also do the cow, like here. See here. This K and a cow. See. So only you have to very careful about the position of the vowel sign according to the graphic of the particular alphabets. So that is very important. Then we can go to ga. So ga, ga, ga. I can have ga, all the gas. Okay. So first one is ga. I'm talking about this ga. And then ga, gi, gi, gu, long u, gu, ge, gai, go, go. So try to understand. Ga, ga. So slowly you can have all the vowels. So it is a ga. Now we can have the gha. I'm talking about this gha. So gha. Again another gha. Then gha. 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 Okay. So we have to have the gha. So first one is the first. So gha, ghi, ghi, long e, and a ghu. Actually, look at the shape. So ghu will be here. This is one chance. And a ghu also will be here. You see two types of ghu I show you. Both are ghu. The ghu will be in the bottom as a vertical, and also ghu will be as a horizontal. So both is ghu. Please try to remember. Okay, it's both possible. So here will be long u may be like this, or long will be like this. Both way it is possible. So please try to understand about the ghu. Okay. So then we can come to nga. That is the nga. So this is nga. Many ngas. So when you have nga, so there is a middle. It is nga. Now there is a question in your mind, because this nga looks like ja. What to do? Because if there is the same similar graphics, then one has to read the context. So it is nga looks like ja. Then there will be a question, how we can have the ja? So that will answer when you come to the ja series, when cha series. So nga and nga and ngi, top, long e, ngi, ngu, ngu, nge, everything same. Only you have to use the basic style, and just remember if the letters have changed, so we have to modify a little bit. Okay. Then come to cha. So cha, 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 Cha. Cha. Cha, first one is cha. Cha. Chi. Chi. Round shape, bottom. Chu. Long u. Chu. Che. Chai. Okay. And cho. Same logic. And chow. Chow. Okay. Even though the order are not the same style, but cha, cha, chi. So this is cha. This is cha. This is chi. With long e, chi. Chu. This is long u. Chu. Okay. So everything you can remember one by one. Only difference is that we have to just remember the shape and their position. So that is very important for all of you. Same thing we can have cha. I'm talking about the cha. That is this cha. So cha. Sorry. Cha. 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 See, cha, first one is cha, then cha, and then chi, chi, and chu. Actually, below means bottom, one vertical line, and long u, chu. Everything is same. Like we said, kai, ko, kai, the same. Ke, kai, ko, kau. Everything is like that. So now come to the ja, which is very important for you to know. So this is ja. I'm talking about the ja. This is ja. Okay. So we can have couple of ja here to show you all the matras. Okay. So first one is ja. How to do the ja? Because already there. So actually in the inscriptions you can find there is a certain circle, small circle, and then going little ahead with the horizontal line. So this is ja. It's very important. Please remember. And G, there is no problem. This is G. Long E, there is no problem. U, there is no problem. Long U, there is no problem.
Sita Goswami, madam, can you
There
please
is
go
some
ahead?
extra sound again. So I request all of you, my dear friends, dear participants, please. Otherwise, it will be disturb me. I will stop the class. I request you again and again. If you are not serious, I am not also serious. The simple request. Whenever you have a question, there will be time. After 5 minutes, I will let you know to ask me the questions. Otherwise, I will stop the class. Okay. So now we are talking about ja. Again, I will show you. I am talking about this ja. So first, this is ja. And we have two types of ja that I would like to tell you. Now the question, how to have the ja? I'm talking about now about the ja. How to do it? It's a very important thing. There is a small circle here, for dot, and that dot will go ahead little. This is ja. There will be a dot and then go ahead. That you can easily see in the inscription. So please note down. There is an extension, there is a horizontal line, followed by a dot. That's why we can recognize that is ja instead of na. So this is the very important thing, please remember. And then we are talking about ju or g. Sorry, we can go to g also. G. Both ja on the top, it is G. With long E, double. With G, with G. Okay, so you can see here. And then we can go to Ju, as I told you, just Ju. So Ja, Ju. If you have this Roman E, this is also Ju. And same procedure with the long U. I'm talking about this long U. Ju. So Ja with double vertical line. Ja with double vertical line. Okay. So the yellow one is not there, so just follow this long Ju. Okay. Then J. Okay. So J, actually there is a possibility of J. I can show you. This is J. This is also J. And this is also J. So please note down. Okay. It will be in the top, it will be J. All are J. If it is Jai, suppose we can have Jai. J-A-I, Jai. So there will be double, 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 double. So actually the procedure is the same. Okay. So only the shape you have changed, then that is changed. So cha cha ja, ja. Ja. So the ja, actually there is a two types of okay, both are ja. So you can use as we do in the ka. I will also ask you to write. So now if you have any question, you can ask me. Then I can go ahead with other things. Please tell me. Any question?
सर
हाँ, please.
सर ओ और औ का जो मात्रा है
बिल्कुल.
उसको कैसे प्लेस, थोड़ा सा वो कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
अच्छा, बिल्कुल वे एकदम
एक
दिखा
बार
रहे हैं. हाँ,
हाँ.
बिल्कुल दिखाएंगे. ओ आपने कहा ओ और आपने कहा औ, यही है ना?
जी जी सर.
ये हो गया ओ, ये हो गया औ. पहले ये जानना जरूरी है. क्लियर?
हाँ जी सर.
This is o and औ. Next step,
हाँ.
we can have the ko and also cow. Okay, so ka, both ka you can see very clearly. So ko, one stroke on the top, one in the middle to the right. You can feel the o in between the ka because this is o. You can have the feeling. You see?
Okay.
You can see there.
Yes sir.
Now we are talking about the cow. How to do the same? Only one stroke to the left.
Okay.
Okay, cow. It's with this. Okay.
Okay.
It's clear?
Yes sir. Yes
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Any other question? Please.
Sir, ये जो हम घ क ख ग घ उसमें आपने लेफ्ट आर्म पर इंडिकेट किए हैं मात्रा, ये हमेशा लेफ्ट आर्म पर ही रहेंगे कि राइट आर्म पर भी हो सकते हैं?
वो कौन से अक्षर के बारे में बता रहे हैं, कौन सा स्वर के बारे में बता रहे हैं?
क ख ग घ घ
हाँ,
उसमें जब ई या ई की मात्रा यूज करते हैं तो आपने लेफ्ट, जो उसका लेफ्ट स्ट्रोक है अपवर्ड्स, उस पर वो इंडिकेट किए हैं। तो राइट पे भी हो सकते हैं कि खाली लेफ्ट पे ही हो सकते हैं?
नहीं 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 ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा नहीं। कौन सा लेटर, मुझे एक लेटर बताइए और मात्रा बताइए, मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा पूरा। एक लेटर बताइए, कौन सा लेटर आपको चाहिए? यू जस्ट सिलेक्ट अ लेटर
क
एंड आई विल
वर्ग
पुट ऑल द
में,
मात्रास।
क वर्ग में क ख ग घ।
ओके, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट घ। ओके
हाँ जी,
ओके,
हाँ जी।
एंड दिस इज घ। नाउ व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन?
मात्रा खाली लेफ्ट पर शो करनी है कि राइट पर भी शो कर सकते हैं?
लेफ्ट मतलब डिपेंड करता है ना कौन सा मात्रा। आकार है तो यहाँ करना है,
आकार,
तो इट इज
आकार।
घा। ठीक है, और घी लेफ्ट राइट की बात नहीं है। यू हैव टू टेल मी व्हिच मात्रा, व्हिच वावेल।
जो
This
जो
घी।
जो आपने ये बनाया ख,
हाँ
उसमें 3 स्ट्रोक्स अपवर्ड है, एक तो मिडिल है उसको छोड़ देंगे, फिर लेफ्ट
हाँ।
है जो लॉन्ग है, और फिर जो राइट है वो शॉर्टर है। तो कभी कभी ये हो सकता है कि लेफ्ट और राइट स्ट्रोक में इतनी ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं भी होगी।
नो नो, if I understood, if the line is vertical, ये vertical है तो हमेशा आकार इकार टॉप में होगा।
लेफ्ट में होगा कि राइट में भी हो सकता है, मेरा क्वेश्चन।
राइट मतलब कौन सा? ये वाला, ये जो वाला, ये वाला?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ, इसमें सिर्फ आकार नहीं होगा, उकार होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा।
ओके,
वहां उकार होगा, ओनली द उकार, देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ भावेल उ। ओके
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
सर, आपने ये बोला था कि जो लेटर्स जिनका हमारा बेस हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है उनके ऊपर हम जो उकार है वो हम ऊपर से ही लगा देते हैं, जैसे नॉर्मल लगता है लाइन लगा के। तो सर बट ज के केस में हमारा उकार नीचे क्यों लग रहा है? जो हम ई वाला
हाँ।
उकार बनाते हैं ना सर, ई वाला में
ओके,
उसका
यू ओके मैन, यू आर टॉकिंग, आपने जॉ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं ना, जॉ?
हाँ सर, यस सर।
हाँ, तो जॉ में क्या आपने कहा? उकार जो है
सर इसमें
वो
जो दूसरा
vertic-
वाला जो है ई वाला जो है, जो स्ट्रेट लाइन के साथ है, जो वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के साथ, जो ये वाले में सर, इस वाले में, यस। क्योंकि सर ये तो राउंड नहीं है, इसमें उकार हम ऊपर से
राउंड नहीं
लगाएंगे।
है, लेकिन राउंड नहीं है तो उकार को लगाएंगे तो कैसे लगाएंगे? आगे बढ़ाएंगे तो यहाँ बढ़ जाएगा ना।
ओके सर, ठीक है सर,
ठीक है,
ठीक है
वो
सर,
रूल है, लेकिन रूल का व्यतिक्रम भी थोड़ा बहुत होता है मैडम जी।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, और एनी क्वेश्चन?
सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है सर।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, पूछिए। हाँ
सर ये ज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ही है सर।
हाँ।
ज में जब हम ओ की मात्रा लगाते हैं तो वो उस ऊपर लगेगा कि बीच में लगेगा, जैसे जा बनाते हैं उस वैसा पीछे से? वो थोड़ा
जो
कंफ्यूजन है।
करना है ना,
हाँ, जो करना है उसको।
ये है
ज
तो आपको यहाँ
पीछे।
लगेगा और यहाँ लगेगा।
ओके, जो में। ओके सर,
ठीक है।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
Excuse me, sir.
प्लीज प्लीज।
Yes. How should we write the only consonant? Not ja, j, ch, ch, j, j, n. So if I missed your explanation, I'm really sorry. But I want to know, for example, bak, taha, k sound, for example.
Okay, so
yes.
are you talking, sir? When are you talking about this? Like You are talking about this system?
Yes, that's it. Yes.
Okay.
The
Actually,
Devanagari.
see, this is this mark. I just round this mark with yellow. This is the mark to show that particular consonant is without vowel. Clear?
I see.
And such system is not available in the Brahmi alphabets.
Oh, I see.
And
Thank you.
it is used very frequently in Sanskrit alphabets, not the Prakrit.
Mhm. So, for example, how do you write
That's why, just
yes.
1 minute. That's why all the words in Pali or Prakrit are ending with vowel.
I
You
see.
cannot find a single word in Prakrit or Pali which having this symbol. All are by default having vowels. Understood, sir?
Yes, I do. Thank you very much.
Okay. Well, what's your name, please, sir?
I'm Yoshi, Reverend Yoshi.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So, any other question?
Yes, Guruji.
Boliye.
I couldn't hear very well the difference
You have some
between.
network problem, or my voice is not clear to you?
Your voice is clear, but there was some, the other people making
Okay, so
sound.
please go ahead with your question, please.
Yes. So the ja, that looks like the Roman E. And when it's long A, it's no problem. But with short A, and the difference with the nga, nga, they look the same. So nga with a long A, and ja with a short A.
Yes, that is true. That I told you. Actually, in that context, actually, we have to see the context, and also we have to go through the word which will be applicable, which letter will be applicable to convey that particular word correctly. That we have to select.
Okay, yeah, I remember now. You said, sorry. So there is no way to differentiate except with the context. Thank you.
Yes. So I can take some round shape and some square shape now. So can you tell me which letter are there? These two letters. Who can tell me?
Sir, tha and ba.
Tha and
Ba.
ba. Suppose I were to write tha, ba. See here. Okay. Tha and ba. Instead of thu and bu, again tha. Thu and bu. Bu. See the position. And just you imagine, and after the class, I'm going to send you the whole chart with all the matras. So that will not problem for you to recognize. So some new thing I would like to share with you. You see, we have seen ka, we have seen ki. So this is ka and this is ki. But the inscription, you can find the key is like this. Try to, you see, what is the exact ikara? One on the top, one horizontal line joining with vertical line. Very short, horizontal and, but in the inscription, you can find both horizontal and vertical, little bit round shape. This is also key. That it is short key, sorry. This is also key. So you have to remember that. So try to see this. Key. Suppose gi, sometimes like this. Both is joined. You cannot recognize clearly one horizontal touching with another vertical. So learning Brahmi, and reading Ashokan inscription, there are two different things.
Right.
Because when we learn the script, we have a basic idea. What exactly we have to do? We have to understand the core of each letter. And the visualization of the inscription is little different that we learn. Definitely, you can have the core, but a little bit change. Sometimes you can have the core like this. You see, little changed, little changed. So everything, and it is written on the stone. So sometimes there will be some difficult to exactly recognize. Okay, and we can have the law. This is law that you know, and this is ha. That also I told you. So we can have two letters. So la here, la. Okay. And according to color, now you can change, you can see the changes of the matras. So I am not changing the page, just I'll change the color. La. Suppose li, li. Long e, long e, dirgha li. Lu, lu. Le, le. Lai, lai. Lo, lo. So you can have just fun with Brahmi and try to play with the Brahmi alphabets with all the vowels. Okay, the same thing we have with the ha. Suppose this is ha, ha, he, sorry, we can here and the below. So who, like this. So you can do all the matras with the consonants. Now sa, I'm talking about sa, dental sa, sa. Sa. Suppose sa, sa. Si. Si. Su. So just follow and try to write as much as you can. Definitely, I have to check from today onwards. I will check because I was busy with so many things. So I will check today onwards and get back to you. Tonight, I will check whatever you sent, and also I will give you some more homework so that I can check and get back to you. So write more and more, and then you can have an impression of all the alphabets with various combinations. Okay. So now I'm talking about the sha, talabya sha.
কালকে কি কি ক্লাস আছে দেখে নাও।
Still, I request the participant not to unmute. Manji, I request you, please. You see here, this is sha. I'm talking about the shakara. So sa, she, si, and now su. What to do with the shu? I'm talking about the shu. What to do? This is sha. Su here. Long u here. Like this, you have to practice one by one. So randomly, you can ask me some questions about the matras, so that I will complete the matras and I can go ahead some other things. Please ask me any letter, any matra, any consonants joining with any vowel, especially the Prakrit or Pali vowels. Please, you can unmute and ask me.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
May I ask you a question, sir?
Yes, definitely. You are most welcome. Please.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Huh.
How can we write
I request you.
dear?
I request you. Please. The volume, the voice should be little clear. Please speak loudly, little loudly.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
How can we write dear? Vidyalaya wala dear.
Okay. Actually, it is a conjunct. Actually, I had a plan to show you the conjunct. Okay. I will show you. No problem. Vidyalaya. Very good question. Vidyalaya. Okay. This is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Vidya. Vidya. La. Yeah. See here. Actually, please follow and look at the on the screen. Actually, we have the
Yes,
here
sir.
and we have
Yes, sir.
ya here. How they
Yeah.
combine? Look at here. This is the part of the and this is the ya.
Yeah. Okay,
It
sir.
means the vertical of ya joined with the vertical of the. Understood?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And I can also give a same example in another way. How it is like this? Because all the conjuncts in the Brahmi actually in a vertical way. Again, I can give the same example. I request to all the participants, please look at again. When we have two consonants and when we join them, what is happening? Here we have a one conjunct cluster, that is dya. Dya means, you see, we have the, we have ya, we have ah. We have to join them. So how to join them? If you join like this, the and then ya, it will be first of all taking more space. Okay. So how we can write the and ya? You see, we can reduce because on the stone the scribe has to engrave. That's why they have developed a very good technique to combine the consonants. Okay, it is wrong. You can see why they did like this, because the bottom of the da is a vertical line and the ya also having a vertical line. So they can join. There is a possibility to join these two vertical lines and have a proper shape of the letter. What will the problem? That I can tell you, because you have asked very good question. Suppose this is the size of A. Okay. We are talking about one line like this. This is a line. All the combination, individual vowel, it should become under these two lines. If we have the and then we have ya. If we take exact graphic of the and then ya, and this portion, the height of this the and ya will not equal with the a. That's why they merge, they join in a very scientific manner so that they can maintain the conjunct clusters with the individual letters. Because when you have a conjunct, definitely, because they are writing in a vertical way, it's not a horizontal way. So vertical way, it is very important to adjust them. So in this technique, the scribe in Ashokan period, they adjust in a particular line in a very scientific manner. Thank you for your question. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
Sir,
Hmm.
do we have Visakha and Anuswara?
Yes, Visarga and Anuswara. Okay, very good. Anuswara, actually, as I told you, the Anuswara in different places. Different places means the position of Anuswara in different places. That I will ask, tell you one by one. But Visarga is not there. Visarga is not there in the Ashokan inscription. Now we can talk about the Anuswara. You're talking about the Anuswara. Anuswara. Okay. The Anuswara is like dot. So we can say come. Come. Okay. So come. Sometimes the Anuswara is little bit distance to the letter. Suppose we can say come. So kha, and maybe the Anuswara little distance here, you see. So we can see the position of Anuswara, and sometimes as we can see in the Lumbini Game, sometimes suppose so Anuswara is like this. Hum, here also. Sometimes on the top, in the middle, in the lower part. So the different position. And I can show you one dham. Dham. Like D-H-A-M. Dham. So dha, dham. Suppose I want to say Kim. It's very important. Kim. Kim. So ka, you see, Anuswara is here. See the position of Anuswara. Kim. Okay. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
Sir, there is a term shiksha, so there is another sh. Sir, how do we write that sh? Is it there in Brahmi? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This sh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. See, first of all, we can write, there is no problem. But in the Brahmi, like Ashokan inscriptions, this is not found. Why? Because everywhere this saw is there, only this dental saw, because of the Prakrit. Okay. Now I will explain. We are talking about this. It is a combination of two consonants. That is ka. Okay. Now the question, how we can have, okay,
Yes.
how we can join them, this ka and sha. This is the question. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is your question, no?
Yes, sir.
So now, how to write? You see this? Okay. Ka and
Yes.
sha.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And very interesting thing I would like to tell you now about the ra is very important. Ra combination. Ra. Okay. Ra, that is like this. Ra. Suppose I would like to write the word atra. It is a Sanskrit word. Atra means here. Atra. See? Atra. It means we have a, there is no problem. Then we have ta, then we have ra. How to join these two? Ta and ra. You see here. See here. Tra. So, atra. And that is no head stroke. So you can see atra. I can write couple of words like kutra. You see? Kutra. Where? Sorry. Kutra. So ka and u, ku, and tra. Tra. You have ta and ra. Tatra. Suppose. The same. Ta, tra, tatra. Okay.
Sir, how about
Actually, in Ashokan inscription, the position of the ra was not decided. Suppose karma, dharma. What is happening here in Devanagari? Because that karma, suppose karma, we can write like this in Devanagari. Karma. But how to write? Because the ra is before the consonant. And I was talking about the ra after the consonant. So both you can see. Karma. How to write karma? Ka. Okay. And then we have ma. Now the question, because it is a refa, so refa should be on the top. Like, so you can have here. But in the Brahmi Ashokan inscription, the position ra was not clear. Not clear means if it is karma, maybe the ma, maybe from here, like this. On the bottom with a zigzag line. Okay.
Sir, that would be kamra then, isn't it? How do we say?
No,
karma?
actually, you are right. But the problem is that they are not exactly clear about the position of ra. That's why we have to, when we are reading the inscription, that time we have to be very careful. We can say karma or kamra. Because the ra, they are putting, that's why you can see that is sometimes it is Devanam Priya or Ripiya. Both is possible. Looking at the, because it should be actually Devanam Piya or Devanam Priya. If it is Priya, then ra should be on the bottom. But always you can see, I can show you. In the inscription, they write like Devanam Piya or Priya, you see. How we transcribe? Actually, it should be like this. Irpiya. Irpiya. But we need Priya. Priya means there is meaning. Beloved. Devanam Priya, who is beloved to the God. And it should be on the bottom like here, but not there. That's why we have to be very careful while reading the inscriptions. Any other question, please?
Sir, how to write Rishi?
Yes, you are talking about this.
Yes, sir.
Ashokan Brahmi, this is not available. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is not available. And whatever is not available, I can send you some file or some documents so that you can have a better chance, because it is a latter in the inscriptional or things we can find in the latter period, because it is not available in Prakrit. Because the place I am staying, it is Sarnath, where the Buddhas gave the first sermon. That's why actually it was the place Rushipatana, but there is no Ru. In Pali, isi patana. Instead of r, it is e. The place I'm staying in Sarnath, so it was in the time of Buddha, it was Risipatana. But r is not there. So in the Pali text, you can find Isipatana. Instead of r, there is e. So because this letter is not available in Pali or Prakrit language. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other question?
Surya will be also similar to the one we saw before.
Yes, definitely. Surya. Okay, very good. I can 1 minute. You're talking about the Surya, no? Please.
Yes, sir.
Surya. Shah. Clear? Su.
Yes.
Now about the ear. So zigzag will be here. It is no
Okay.
problem. Surya.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question? I can now. I will try to ask because I can see the names now. So one by one, I
to write Chandra.
something. Chandra.
Sir.
Okay. Chandra. Just 1 minute. There is a question, Chandra. Then I'll get back to him. Ma'am. Just wait. Chandra. Chandra. Okay. So cha. Na. The. Okay, he does the. But the problem is about the ra. What to do? So ra in the Brahmi inscription cell, it will be here.
Okay.
Actually, it should be in the bottom, but not in the bottom. Okay. Any question?
Sir, Sri Krishna.
Sri Krishna. Okay. You're talking about this Sri? So this is Shah. Okay. And the Ra, actually Sri, long A. Here is the Ra. Sri. It's clear?
Sir, Paddhati.
And
Okay,
Krishna we cannot write because there is no Ru, Ukara. What is Paddhati? Like this, Paddhati?
Ji, sir.
Pa. Okay. The. Dha. Paddhati. Okay.
Sir, how can I write, sir? Vidwan.
Huh?
Vidwan.
Vidwan.
Ji, sir.
Like no, this Vidwan.
Yes, sir.
V. Okay.
Okay. Sir, Brahmi लिपि का other means Brahmi लिपि को धम्म लिपि भी कहते हैं, sir?
ब्राह्मी लिपि को धम्म लिपि कहते हैं बिल्कुल कहते हैं।
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ
ठीक है
सर, ज्ञान ज्ञान ज्ञान।
ओके, वेरी गुड। Okay, actually it is not available because it is like panya, prasnya, nya, double nya in Prakrit Pali, but you can say this jnana, ja and ya. It is a gnya. Okay. Did you get or not?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
And sir, Patanjali, I mean, Jnana is Vargija plus Nya and
Patanjali, yeah. See, you see, You are talking about ya and ja, no?
Yes, sir.
Then there is no problem. This is ya, ja. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I want to see some inscriptions. Then I may share with you and tell you how to go through these inscriptions. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I did not find that inscription, but I will tell you something. Just wait. But there is a procedure how to see. I'm going to give you some idea how we will go through the the inscriptions. Just wait. Show you one inscription to give you, because okay, anyway, I will send you one inscription. What exactly you have to do, that I am telling you, and then we can complete the class. So I'll send you after the class. I'll send you the inscription. Okay, and that is the Lumbini inscription. Okay, but I request all of you, don't search Lumbini inscription on Google. You have to work on it. So inscription I am going to give you, and you have to recognize all the letters. What is the procedure? I'll send you the copy, one photo after the class. You have to copy that inscription as it is. This is the first work, because there is some methodology to learn Brahmi in very quickly. So you see that inscription, write as it is. This is the first work. After writing, try to understand, locate the vowel first, because we learn vowel. If there is no vowel, there is no problem. Then come to the consonant. Then recognize the consonant second. Try to, okay, this is ka, this is kha. Come to consonant and vowel combinations. And we have not learned yet all the conjuncts. That we will do tomorrow. So you can practice that inscription. Try to find out the vowels, number 1. Rectify the consonants, number 2. Rectify the consonants and the vowel combinations. If you are good enough, you can also rectify the conjuncts. I will be happy. This is the first homework I am going to give you today. Now you have to write also more words using the matras, means the vowel combinations. Because suppose we are writing Kanaka now, you see, Kanaka. Kanaka, that is the gold. Ka, na, ka. But now you can write like Sarnath or any, or you can say okay, Kamadeva, that is the Cupid. Kama Deva. So Kamadeva, Ka, Ma, De, Va. You see, there is the matras. So at least write down 25 words from your side with the matras. And also the inscription I will send, try to rectify all the vowels, consonants. And I will send you at least couple of words, maybe 50 or 20, whatever I can write. send you some matras, and I will check your all the homeworks and get back to you. So today this is from my side. If any question, any ambiguity, you are most welcome. Please.
Sir, you are telling that we will be doing Sanyukt Akshar tomorrow.
Yes.
Means Sanyukt Akshar.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because tomorrow my plan is that I will have the discussion about the conjunct clusters.
Okay,
And
sir.
before that, I am going to give you some inscriptions. Try to rectify, because you have learned the vowels, you have learned the consonants, you have learned the combinations. Okay. So today onwards, we will have our inscription transcription, so that day after tomorrow, you will be able to at least read 2 inscriptions from my side. And this is the beginning. You can continue with your study and you can go ahead with inscriptions and other things and manuscripts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions? I am ready to answer you. Please.
Sir,
Yes.
some like halal and dark, their combination way is differences according to the location.
You are talking about the halant. You are talking about again this.
For example, we done some like we have.
Can you give Venerable one example?
For example, today we done some about that. There is Kutra, Tatra, and Karma, something like this kind of word. Then you, as you mentioned, actually they don't have a fixed way to combine it. Then the combination is as any differences according to the differences of location. Location means place. Some
location
area.
means here I can tell you the position. It
I
will be
mean
on the
area.
top.
For
Yes, it will be on the
example,
top
west
or the
side.
bottom.
Okay, yes. I mean, for example, if we find this kind of words in west of India or in east of India, is that
No,
different?
actually it is all over the inscription, all over the India, all the inscription all over the India.
Yes, but the combination, the way they combine those words are different or have some features according to the location.
No, location wise, actually it is not changed much because it was the scribal things. It was available in each inscriptions available in different parts. If you go east, west, north, south of India, everywhere you can find the same pattern, same thing. It means that because now we have understood. Suppose we are writing karma. Suppose it is decided that the ma is this refer is on the top. Suppose amra means mango, karma. You see karma. Karma. If you say, I'm talking about mra, amra, you see mra. Only we are talking about this marma and mra. You see here we have in the bottom. In the Devanagari alphabet or Sanskrit language, it is already decided. If we look at the Ashokan inscription, actually mostly they have the top is always there, but it indicates the both. I can tell you. Just wait. Suppose we can have this is pa and both pa is there. It is ra, here also ra. But Ashokan inscription always prefer to write this. If it is after ra, if the ra is after the consonant or before the consonant, always they prefer the head one. in the case of, I can show a very good example. In Ashokan inscription, always one can find Samana and Brahmana, the caste Brahmana. You see, it is Ba. What to do with the Ra? We need a like Brahmana, Bra, like this. Bra. So you can see here they put the Ra here, and then it is Bra. You see, the Ra is here. If the Ra is before, also it is in the top. If it is after, also it is in the top side, not the bottom side. But in Devanagari, we have bottom, we have on the top. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any other question? So thank you all, and I will send you some of the homework today. So see you tomorrow 7 p.m. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.